Before we begin, here's an important disclaimer. The content you're about to watch is intended solely for educational and informational purposes. It should not be considered financial, investment, trading, tax, or legal advice. Please remember that all forms of trading and investing involve significant risk, and past performance is never a guarantee of future results. Always conduct your own research, also known as DYOR. Carefully evaluate your financial situation and consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. The information presented in this video is shared for educational purposes only. Any investment or trading decisions you make are entirely your own responsibility. The creator of this content is not responsible for any financial losses, damages, or investment outcomes resulting from the use of the information presented. This video is independent educational content and is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or officially sponsored by XFusion or Tag Markets. By continuing to watch this presentation, you acknowledge and accept these terms. Now, let's get started.
We're talking about this platform called XFusion. So we're going to learn how to register our account with XFusion. After registering the account, how we can synchronize our account with the broker. And after synchronizing with the broker, you do your KYC so that you can get started with the full features of this platform called XFusion. So XFusion is one platform that has many opportunities. The opportunities that they have available, we have copy trading, trading signals, education, payment cards, exchange, as well as affiliates. All these are some of the things that is available by XFusion. So it's a modern platform that actually bundles verified providers, tools, and services from various fields. So it is clear, it is transparent, and it's very easy to use. So that's basically what XFusion is all about. For that case, because XFusion is on the trading platform, they have signed up agreement with a broker. And this broker, as you all know, in order to trade the forex market, you need a broker. Therefore, they sign up with this broker, and this broker is called Tag Markets. And this Tag Market has this registered name called TM Financial Limited, which is licensed and regulated by FSC in Mauritius as an investment dealer. It's one of the fastest growing brokers in the world. The technology they have copy trading plus manual trading as well. And then the markets, they have forex, they have indices, they have metals, they have commodities, as well as crypto. At the same time, it was launched on the 28th of March 2024. So this is some information about XFusion and Tag Market. So let's move along with our registration with XFusion. And we said after registration with XFusion, we need to synchronize it with the broker called Tag Markets, and then we do our KYC so that we can have full access to the system. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I'll be leaving the link in the description. So as you can see from the video here, this is the link. So I will be leaving the link in the description so that you can also follow as I'm doing. Go ahead and tap on the link. So right after doing that, you can see that we have individual and then we have company. So our focus is on the individual. So make sure that you have selected individual. So company is there and then we have individual. So select individual. You go ahead to provide your first name, your last name, your email, your password, and you choose your country from this drop down, and then you choose your country code, as well as you check these two boxes. So that's basically what we're doing. So let's just use this as a demo. So the name is Michael, the last name is Asante, and then the email address is say this, and then the password is so let's say this is the password. So you can see everything is done perfectly. The password should be at least 8 characters and at most 12 characters, at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, at least one number, no spacing allowed, and at least one special character. These are the format of which you should set your password. And then you choose your country. So I will have to look through my country. I'm in Ghana, so I will choose Ghana. After selecting Ghana, you put in your phone number. After putting in your phone number, you acknowledge by checking these boxes. and then Cloudflare will be checked successfully. And then after you're done, you just go ahead and click on register. So you can see it says we've sent a verification link to your email. So as soon as it is done, you have to go into your inbox or your Gmail to confirm the email sent to you. So let me go on. Let's go back to my Gmail. So you can see that's my Gmail account. I have to refresh to see. So you can see refresh to see, and you can see it's here. Welcome, Michael Asante. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once tapping on it, you scroll down a bit. You can see they have what we call verify account right here. Verify account. Tap on verify account. And as soon as you do that, you're automatically waiting for validation. So you can see that it says that your email has successfully been verified. So that's basically how it works. So now that is done, we go ahead to log in. So right when you go in there, just go ahead and log into the account that you just registered. So just log in. So I'm actually logging with my account. So you also go ahead and log in with the same details you provided. Ensure that everything is successfully done, and then you click on login. So you can see how easy it was done. So you can see I successfully logged in onto my dashboard. So then that is what you can see. That is my account right here. Right after signing in this way, scroll down a bit. We're going to see we have what we call copy S. So that's what you see here. You have to go ahead and tap on that as well. Remember, you don't have to create an account with tag markers before coming to click on register copy S. It's very, very important. Make sure you don't have tag markers already created, or you don't have account already with tag markers. If not, what you're about to do is not going to work. It's very, very important. So you go ahead and click on register copy S, and then you can see right here, put in the password that you provided during sign up. So the password that you provided during the time you were signing up, you provide the same password right here. Then after you're done, you click on sync account. So you wait for a few minutes, and you can see your account has been synchronized successfully. So the last thing you have to do is to go back to your inbox to confirm another email has been sent to your account to verify these tag markets synchronization. So let's go back to our email. So we go back once again, refresh once more, and you can see a new email has been sent from tag markets. So we click on tag markets and scroll down a bit, and you can see it says we need to confirm our email, and you can see they provided us also with the details below. So we go ahead and click on confirm, and you wait for a few minutes. And as soon as that is done, you can see that our email has been verified. And then we now have access to tag market. So now you will not be able to deposit onto this broker until you've done your KYC. If I click on deposit from below here, you see it tells me I have to complete this before I can proceed. So if you don't do the KYC, you'll not be able to proceed to make a deposit onto the broker to do your trading. So now we have to ensure we click on upload documents. That's what we're going to click. Go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to put in here your email address you provided during sign up. So you provide your identity document, and then you perform a liveness check. That's what you'll be doing. So a code has been sent to your email. You have to go into your inbox to confirm again. So just refresh once again, and then you can see it's called SAMSAP ID. So just go there, that's the ID. Go ahead and copy this ID right here. So copy this ID. Then go back and then provide it right here. And then you can see wait for a bit, and you can see that is it. So all you need to do, leave everything as default as it is, and then you click on create my account. You can proceed. So check that first, and then you proceed to create my account. You proceed to continue verification, and then you follow the steps. So you can see that I'm in Ghana, so the issuing country is available there as Ghana. So I have an option to the documents available. We have driver's license. If you want to sign up, register with driver's license. You can also do it with your identity card, health ID, voters ID, resident permit, as well as passport. These are the available documents you want to go with. So if you want to go with drivers, you select that one. If you want to go with identity card, click on that. And after you're done, click on continue. And then as you can see, it says get ready to upload your document. You follow the prompt as indicated here, and then you proceed to the next step. So that's basically what happens. So this one, I have to allow my camera, and then so that's everything you need to do. Just follow the process, upload your document, and then you proceed to do whatever you need to do. So follow the prompts to ensure everything is done successfully. As soon as the verification is being done, you see that this message you see here is going to vanish, and once it vanishes and you click on deposit from here, you have access to make your deposit onto the broker. So because it's not completed, I'll not be able to, but as soon as you complete it, you should be able to move along with your deposit. So that's basically how it works.